Ladies and gentlemen, this video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and pretty scary alerts that are coming from the website handovertimemc2.club. And by the way, there may be pretty similar pop-ups, but they come from a slightly different website, which is handovertimemc1.club, which is basically the same thing. Both of these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceitful. Their mission is to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups indicate that your computer is in danger, that it is vulnerable before some threats, and that you need to urgently download and install something to get your computer fixed. At the first glance, it looks as if the pop-up tries to help you. It even contains some images of certain decent software. But when you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be redirected to some other junk resources in the internet, and because of that, your computer may be infected with some potentially unwanted programs. So do not interact with these fake alerts, do not install anything that they suggest. In fact, these pop-ups may be the result of certain adware being enabled in your system. So first thing we recommend you to do is to carefully research the control panel, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, get rid of them. We also recommend you to examine your device additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, download the software installer, start the installer and install the application, and then begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to identify and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.